Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to protect an entire Excel file with a password. This is an Excel file and we will see how to protect this file with a password. So to protect this file, go to File, click on Info, and there is a drop down that is Protect Workbook. Click here and here is an option Encrypt with Password. Click here and it will ask for a password. Let me set it 123, enter, and re-enter the password 123, enter. So now this entire file is protected with a password. Let's go back and close it, save it, and now if we try to open this file, we have to provide this password. So if any person doesn't have the password, that person cannot open this file. So let's give the password 123, enter, and we can open this file. So now to unprotect this file, if we want to remove this password protection, what we can do, again we need to go to this file, click on Info, go to this drop down, and again click on this Encrypt with Password, and here there is a password, so just remove it and click on OK. So now this file is not protected with any password. Let us go back and close it, save it, and now if we try to open this file, double click, it is not asking for any password and we can open this file. So that is how we can protect our entire Excel file with a password. Now we'll see another feature, that is protecting a workbook. So this is a workbook and we'll see how to protect this workbook. So to protect this workbook, click on this Review tab and here is an option Protect Workbook. Click here and it will again ask for a password 123, and here you can see Protect Workbook for structure. The structure is selected. So when we protect a workbook, basically it protects the structure of that workbook. Let's click on OK and it will ask for re-entering the password 123 and enter. Also you can read it here. So under Protect Workbook, it is saying keep others from making structural changes to your workbook, such as moving, deleting, or adding sheets. Okay, so it is protecting to make any changes in the structure of this workbook. So now if we try to add any sheet by clicking on this plus icon, it will not allow. I'm not able to click on this plus icon. Also, if I right click on this sheet 1, it is not allowing me to insert, delete, or rename, or move, or copy, or anything else. But inside this sheet, if I want to make any changes, that I can do, I can edit this cell. If I want to insert any row, that also I can do. Now to unprotect this workbook, what we can do, click on this Protect Workbook and give the password 123. Okay, now this workbook is not protected. Now if I want to add any sheet, that I can do like this. And also if I want to rename this sheet 1, that also I can do. The other way to protect the workbook is we can go to the file and click on the Info tab, and here again we need to click on this Protect Workbook drop down, and here the fourth option is Protect Workbook Structure. So if we click here, it will ask for the same password. Let's give the password 123, enter, then 123, enter, and now this workbook is again protected. So that is how you can protect your Excel file or your workbook in the Excel file. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.